So this video is going to be about fixing the awning rail. So join me and watch me do it. See if I cock up again. Well, you might remember in my previous video, I talked about a problem I had with my awning rail, a bit of a disaster where it peeled off. You see the awning rail pulled right off. I was a bit too in a hurry to fix it, and I wouldn't wait to get some Sikaflex on order. I used a different type of bonding product, which is this here. This is I bought it from Screwfix and Everbuild Technic Pureflex 40. It's meant to be a sealant and adhesive, but it was rubbish, so don't bother using it. Not for sticking awning rails on anyway. So what I've used previously is Sikaflex UBT, this stuff here. This is the awning rail. I don't know if you... It's plastic, so there shouldn't be any issues with it. Right, I'm going to talk along as I do this, and I don't know if it's going to come out or not. So, right, first thing we need to do is line up our awning rail to where we want it. And what I tend to do is I tend to just tape it in place with some frog tape. Just get it in. Stick it in a couple of places just so we know where we are. The active track is working. Just make sure that's exactly where we want the awning rail. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I am taping off the either side of the awning rail, so when I apply the Sikaflex, I'm not going to get it anywhere that I don't want it. This might be over the top. It's the way I've done it in the last two vans, and it's been good for me, so I'm going to do it again this way. So now I've masked off the roof, what I'll do next is I'll just take some panel wipe down where I'm going to bond it to, just to make sure it's absolutely clean, and then we'll move on to the applying the Sikaflex. You can see I've now put a layer of Sikaflex in, and now I'm going to attach the awning rail to the van. And there we are, it's bonded to the roof, and I've taped it and weighted it. Obviously it will lift slightly if you don't put any weight and tape on it, and I will leave that now overnight till it's all gone off. Remove the tape, and that's done. It's not as hard as you think, really. Have a go. Save yourself some money. Okay, so it's now stuck on. A little tiny bit of tidying up we'll do at the front there. You can just see a little tiny bit that needs to be trimmed off. I'm going to let the Sikaflex go right off before I do that. But looking at the van, you know, it doesn't really stand out, which is what I wanted. Yeah, you can see, hopefully this is not going to pull off. and hold the awning onto the van. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel as well. You know, it's really appreciated when you like and subscribe to my videos and my channel. You know, stay tuned for the next one. I'm not sure what the next one's going to be. I'm away camping next, so it'll probably be one about camping. Hopefully with the G7 now gone, we won't be worrying about drones either, so maybe some drone footage in the next one as well. Alright, see you next time. Bye guys. One last thing I'd like to say.
Sorry?
Talking to the camera. My wife wants to talk to you. No, she doesn't? Yes, she does. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please like it. I'll start again.